The next step that we're going to add is called the crossover break. Okay? It's also very commonly called the New Yorker, but don't worry about that. So we're going to call it the crossover break. All right? Ladies, we've just danced our last parallel break, and we've danced under the arm cha, cha, cha. Correct? Which foot is free? Excellent. Right foot is free. All right? Look over to the guys. Look at that wall over there. That's where we're going to rock with the right foot. So we're going to turn a quarter turn to our left, and we're going to dance rock, step. And then we're going to face the front again for cha, cha, cha. Let's do that much again. All right? Right foot across, rock, step, cha, cha, cha. Now, which foot is free? So guess what happens with the left? We're going to go towards the other wall. Rock, step, cha, cha, cha. Okay? So we have right foot across, rock, step, cha, cha. Left foot across, rock, step, cha, cha. Right foot across, rock, step, cha, cha. And this one, actually turn your body. Cha, cha, cha. Turn the body. Cha, cha, cha. Turn. Not that much. Rock, step, cha, cha, cha. Rock, step. Very good. I'm going to leave you to practice that for a minute and work with the guys. All right? Gentlemen, come on in. So, guys, we've just danced our last parallel break, and we've turned the girl. And we end here, right? So the left foot is free. And guys, we're going to look over to that wall, out the windows, beautiful building. We're going to rock that direction with the left foot. So we dance rock, step. And we're going to face the front for cha, cha, cha. Now the right foot is free. We're going to rock the opposite direction with the right foot. Rock, step, cha, cha, cha. Rock, step, cha, cha, cha. Rock, step. Say that with me, guys. Cha, cha, cha. Rock. Step. Cha, cha, cha. Rock, step. Cha, 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 rock, step, cha, cha, cha. So we dance 3 of them. Okay? 3 crossover breaks. Sonia, posso? Grazie. Okay. What is the lead? And how's it going to work with the partner? So guys, if I pick up from the last parallel break for now. Rock, step, cha, cha, cha. She danced under the arm, cha, cha, cha. And this is our new position. Okay? So for purposes of right now, we're going to start from here. All right? So watch. I've given the girl the palm, right? And what does that say to her? That says she's going to open up away from me. And that's what's going to give her the lead to dance that crossover break. Okay? So watch it again. We have cha, cha, cha. I dance. Rock. Step. My first one, I give her the other palm. Rock, step, and palm again. Rock, step, cha, cha, cha. And we're going to stop at the end of the third one. Okay? So when we get together with a partner, we're going to start from this position. I'll say 2, 3, ready, go. We're going to dance 1, cha, cha, cha. 2, cha, cha, cha. 3, and freeze right there. Okay? Now, a lot of times what you'll see is styling that looks something like this. Bang, cha, 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 bang. And they're throwing the arms out and boom. All right? Which is all good if you're going to go and put on a show, or if you're at a competition, or if you've been taking lessons for a couple years. But for your average person who's going to go out and probably do this at a wedding, at a party, you're going to look a bit silly. And not only that, you're probably not going to have the space, and you're going to end up smacking whoever is next to you. Which, if that's your intention, you know what to do now. So what I suggest is, instead of worrying about creating those big lines, at a social level, just keep the arm relaxed to the side. Have a good time with it. Cha, cha, cha. Rock, step, cha, cha, cha.
Oh, lady, maybe the hip.
Right? So ladies, if you want to create a little bit of styling with this, you can place the hand on your hip as you rock. I'll let Sonia do it because she's going to look better than me. Rock, step, cha, cha, cha. Rock, step, cha, cha, cha. Okay? They like that. Way to go. Okay. Let's move across. Ladies face the gentleman, please. What I'd like to do is try this at the same time, but separately. Okay? Remember, gentlemen, we have the weight on the right foot. The left foot is free. Ladies, the weight is on the left. The right foot is free. And we're going to dance rock across. Right? So we have 2, 3, ready, go. Rock, step. Rock, step. Cha, cha, cha. Rock, step. Cha, cha, freeze. Let's try this again slowly from the same spot. We have 2, 3, ready, go. Rock, step, cha, cha, cha. Rock, step, cha, cha, cha. Rock, step, cha, cha, cha. All right, here's what we're going to do. We're going to combine the crossover break with the rest of our amalgamation. Sonia and I will demonstrate from the beginning. Watch once. We have rock, step, cha, 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 rock. There's my first basic. Cha, cha, cha. There's my second basic. Now I dance my parallel break, parallel break, parallel break. She goes under the arm, and I dance my crossover break, crossover break, crossover break, spin, hit, roll, roll. If you want. No, I'm kidding. Okay? Here we go. 2, 3, ready, go. Rock, step, cha, cha, cha. Rock, step. Parallel break. Under the arm, cha, cha, cha. First one, slow it down. Second one, cha, cha, cha. Third one, cha, cha, freeze. Okay. Very, very nicely done. Now is you don't have to learn any new steps, okay? Do you remember we did the underarm turn at the end of the parallel breaks? So we'd done 3 parallel breaks and an underarm turn. Now we've done 3 crossover breaks, and we're going to do another underarm turn, okay? So if I pick up from the crossover breaks with Sonia, we dance rock, step, cha, 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 rock, step, cha, 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 rock, step, same thing. I raise the arm and release. She's going to go under, and I'm going to start from the beginning. Basic, rock, step, cha, cha, cha. Let's try this from the first time from the crossover breaks. Okay, so we're going to start from the same spot that we split it up earlier, which was here. Rock, step, cha, cha, cha. So gentlemen are going to go left foot across towards the windows, ladies right foot across. We have 2, 3, ready, go. Rock, step, cha, cha, cha. Rock, step, cha, cha, cha. Rock, step. Turn the girl. Under the arm. Close position. Start again. Basic step. Cha, cha, cha. Rock, step. Excellent, excellent. Okay. We want to try this one last time. Okay? This time, I want you to repeat the amalgamation twice. 2 times through. And there's a prize for the winner. No. All right, here we go. 2, 3, ready, go. Rock, step, cha-cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha, rock, step, cha-cha-cha, rock, step, good. Crossover break, once, keep going, twice, 3, under the arm, start again, basic step. Underarm, crossover break, here we go. 1, 2, 3, and dip your girl. Hey! So that is your beginner introduction to cha-cha. You now have enough material to go out, dance the basic steps, do it in time, have a little bit of diversity in your routine, and have a good time. So I say congratulations, guys, and thank you very much. If you're feeling comfortable with your beginner steps, here are a few moves that you can try that are a little bit more advanced. If we pick up from the third crossover break, we dance. Rock, step, cha-cha-cha. Guys, instead of turning the girl under the arm, this time we're going to turn as well. Walk around, cha-cha-cha. We take a double handhold position, and now we're going to do what's called the 3 cha-chas. Rock, step, cha-cha 1, cha-cha 2, cha-cha 3, rock, step, cha-cha 1, cha-cha 2, cha-cha 3. From this position, you're ready to go back into your basic rock, step, cha-cha-cha. This amalgamation straight through will look like this. Again, we're going to pick up from the third crossover break. We dance. Rock, step, cha-cha-cha, both turn, cha-cha-cha, rock, cha-cha 1, cha-cha 2, cha-cha 3, rock, cha-cha 1, cha-cha 2, cha-cha 3. If you're looking to adapt your cha-cha for that special day, your wedding day, here's a few things that you can do to make it just a little bit more intimate. You can replace any of the underarm turns. If you take your left hand and replace it with your right, you'll dance rock, step, under the arm, and loop over the head. Now that the girl's close, we're going to dance side, rock, cha-cha-cha, side, rock, cha-cha-cha. And gentlemen, that's where you go in for the kiss. Your cha-cha wedding dance should look something like this. Remember, you can replace any underarm turn by switching to your right hand. We dance rock, step, cha-cha-cha, loop over the head, side, cha-cha-cha, side, and go for your kiss.